Welcome to my heart. I am Roleel, and these woods are my home. Oh, you've had a trying journey. Please let me give you some food and drink. First you shall rest, then we will talk. Poor darling. The great Artois frightened you. You mustn't be afraid. He's as gentle as a child.
I saw him twist a chain apart with his bare hands.
Oh, yes, he is strong, my sweet. But he means well, my darling. He brought you to me, did he not?